Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove payment method from Google Play Store. So here I'm going to open the Play Store first. Then to see the payment method in your Google Play Store account, just click on your photo at the top right corner and then click on the payment and subscription. Then click on the payment methods. Okay, so here are the list of my payment methods in my Google Play Store, and to remove them you can't do this in here, so you need to scroll down and then go to the more payment settings. Click on that option, then you'll be directed to the browser to go to your Google Play Store, Google Pay web. So here are the list of my payment method, and to remove one of them you can just choose which one that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this ones. Click on the remove option. Then after that a question will pop up. So removing means that you won't be able to use the payment method for other Google products and services without adding it again. So you can always adding it again if you want, but if you are sure to remove them, you can just click on remove, and after that the payment method will be removed from your Google Play Store. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this content is helpful for you, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.